There are 5 recommended tips to combat an anxiety attack of your own suffering. The first step is to control breathing. Anxiety activates the autonomic nervous system that prepares the body for action, secreting adrenaline and norepinephrine. The pupil dilates to have greater visual acuity. It increases blood pressure to more quickly bring blood to the muscles. And also increases the respiratory rate to generate more oxygen in the blood because it is the body's fuel. All this physical activation can be fought with a good slow and deep diaphragmatic breathing. The second piece of advice is to replace the negative irrational thoughts with others more adjusted to reality. There are people who, when they are having an anxiety attack, think that they are having a heart attack or that they are even losing their minds at that time. If possible, these sentences should be written and reviewed, making them questions. For example, am I really losing my mind? I will not die? The third tip is to give clear, positive and rational self-instructions. I'm fine, breathe slowly or calm down, this is just anxiety. The fourth tip is to try to stop the avoidance and flight responses because we usually respond to anxiety as we would with real danger, that is, running away, running away. This must be stopped because if we don't limit ourselves more and more of our day-to-day, since we tend to avoid situations where we have already had an anxiety attack. The fifth and final advice is to accept the emotion. Anxiety is no more what an intense and irrational fear. If we face him, if we take away his courage and think that it is only fear, then he loses his power.